Hey everyone, Tun here from Tun Does Linux and More. If you're working in IT or just thinking about your next career move, you've probably noticed how fast things are changing. Today, I want to walk you through the 10 most important IT technologies to know about in 2025. I'll explain what each is, why it's important, and if you're curious, how you might take your first step into that field. Let's get started. Let's begin with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Probably the biggest buzzwords in tech right now, and for good reason. AI and ML are all about teaching computers to recognize patterns, make decisions, or even create things, like text or images. You see this in everything from Netflix recommendations to medical diagnostics. Companies are investing heavily here, and salaries can range from $80,000 to over $200,000 for experienced engineers. If you want to dip your toes in, try Google's free machine learning crash course, or explore Python libraries like scikit-learn. Next is generative AI, and what's called agentic AI. Generative AI is what powers tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E AI that can create new content, whether that's text, images, or even music. Agentic AI goes a step further, acting as autonomous agents that can plan and execute tasks for you. Think of a digital assistant that doesn't just answer questions, but actually books your appointments or manages your emails. This field is evolving fast, and if you want to experiment, OpenAI and Hugging Face both have great APIs and starter guides. And cybersecurity is more crucial than ever. As more of our lives and businesses move online, protecting data and systems from threats is a top priority. This field covers everything from defending against ransomware to securing cloud infrastructure. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is huge, and salaries can easily reach $100,000 or more, especially in leadership roles. If you're interested, platforms like TryHackMe and Cybery offer interactive labs to get you started. Quantum computing might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming a real-world technology. Quantum computers use the principles of quantum mechanics to solve problems that are impossible for classical computers. Right now, they're mostly used in research and specialized industries like pharmaceuticals or finance, but the potential is enormous. If you're curious, IBM offers a free quantum lab where you can experiment with real quantum computers in the cloud. Cloud computing is about delivering computing resources over the internet, letting businesses scale quickly and efficiently. Edge computing brings some of that power closer to where data is created. Think of smart cameras or IoT devices that process data locally for speed and privacy. Both are foundational for modern IT, and skills here are in high demand. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud all have free tiers and learning platforms to get you started. Data science is all about making sense of massive amounts of information. Whether it's spotting trends in customer behavior or predicting equipment failures, data science helps organizations make better decisions. It's a mix of statistics, programming, and business knowledge. If you want to try it out, Kaggle is a fantastic place to find data sets and challenges, and Python is the language to learn. Spatial computing combines the digital and physical worlds using technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. This is what powers things like interactive games, virtual meetings, or even advanced medical training. The field is growing, and if you're interested, Unity and Unreal Engine both offer free tools and tutorials for beginners. Robotics and automation are about building machines and software that can perform tasks automatically. This could be a robot in a warehouse or a software bot that processes invoices. Automation is transforming industries by improving efficiency and reducing costs. If you want to experiment, check out the open-source Robot Operating System, ROS, or platforms like UiPath for process automation. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. It's a technology for secure, decentralized record keeping, and it's being used in everything from finance to supply chain management. Smart contracts, programs that run on blockchains, are especially hot right now. If you're curious, Ethereum's developer documentation and online courses on platforms like Coursera are good starting points. Finally, sustainable or energy-efficient computing is about reducing the environmental impact of our technology. This includes optimizing data centers, using renewable energy, and designing efficient software and hardware. With growing awareness of climate change, these skills are becoming more valuable. Google's Carbon Sense suite and NVIDIA's resources on efficient computing are good places to learn more. So, those are the 10 big areas shaping IT in 2025. You don't have to master them all. Pick one that excites you or fits your background. The best way to start is by exploring free resources, joining online communities, and building small projects. Whether you're interested in AI, cybersecurity, or sustainable tech, there's never been a better time to learn. If you found this overview helpful, let me know in the comments what you'd like to explore next. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.